Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Blink doorbell not working using a few proven troubleshooting tricks. So one of the biggest reasons why the Blink doorbell stops working is the weak battery power. So even if the doorbell still appears online occasionally, the low battery can cause the delayed notifications, motion failures, live view issues, or complete disconnections. So in order to fix it, what you need to do is you need to simply replace the batteries with the fresh AA lithium batteries, because the regular alkaline batteries often create reliability problems. Now, instead of resetting immediately, you need to try refreshing the device first. For that, you just have to simply remove these batteries and wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Afterwards, simply reinstall the batteries carefully. Then you just have to watch the LED light during the startup, because it is going to help you indicate whether the doorbell is reconnecting properly or not. So if your doorbell uses a sync module, you can also make sure that the module itself is online. And if nothing works for you, you can just simply remove the Blink doorbell from the application and then you can set it up again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.